So Daniel, do you need to be an accredited investor to invest?
You don't need to be an accredited investor to invest. We basically have two levels of investors. You described the accredited investor very well. And the other investor is a sophisticated investor. And that investor is somebody who basically understands the risk of investing in real estate and has invested in risk-type assets in the past.
There are two types of syndication raises that we can do that most multifamily syndication companies do. One is called a 506B, and the other is called a 506C or 506 Regulation C. The B is for both accredited and sophisticated investors, and the 506C is only for accredited investors.
We primarily focus on 506B.
Yeah, we do, because we like to give the opportunity and chance for everyday investors to be able to invest in one of our properties and give them the opportunity to expand their portfolio and diversify into real estate investments that's typically only offered for accredited investors. So with a 506B raise, which is the ones that we typically do, we're allowed up to 35 sophisticated investors in those raises. So if the raise is a 506C and it is only for the accredited investor, how do they prove that they're accredited, or do they have to prove that they're accredited?
Yes, they have to prove that they're accredited, and oftentimes they do that either through a letter from the CPA or there's some on-site applications that they can apply to.
And the raises that we typically do are the B, because we like to offer them to both accredited and sophisticated investors, because we like to give our friends and family. And Daniel is former military, and we have a lot of military investors, and not everyone's accredited. And we like to offer this opportunity to everybody who has an interest in investing in multifamily and diversifying their portfolio. That's why we typically do a 506B raise, so we offer it both to sophisticated and accredited.
To learn more about Mission Bay Capital Partners and our investment process, go to missionbaycp.com. Mission Bay Capital Partners is a real estate investment firm that enables passive investors to gain access to exclusive, well-vetted multifamily real estate investments that we select, fund, and profit from together.